Optimizing Rocket Money budget tracking requires a thorough understanding of the tool and its features. To get started, you need to connect your financial accounts to Rocket Money, allowing the app to track your income and expenses. This will provide a comprehensive picture of your financial situation, enabling you to make informed decisions. The first step is to categorize your transactions, which can be done automatically or manually. Rocket Money uses machine learning algorithms to categorize transactions, but you can also customize the categories to fit your specific needs. For example, you can create a category for dining out or entertainment, and assign transactions to these categories as they occur. Next, you need to set a budget for each category, which can be based on your historical spending or financial goals. Rocket Money provides budgeting templates and recommendations, but you can also set custom budgets. For instance, if you want to reduce your dining out expenses, you can set a budget for this category and track your progress. Another key feature of Rocket Money is the ability to track subscriptions and recurring payments. You can connect your subscription services, such as Netflix or gym memberships, and Rocket Money will track the payments and alert you to any changes. This helps you stay on top of your expenses and avoid unnecessary payments. To optimize your budget tracking, it is essential to regularly review and update your budget. Rocket Money provides personalized budgeting recommendations and alerts, which can help you identify areas for improvement. You can also use the app to set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt. In addition to budget tracking, Rocket Money offers bill tracking and payment features. You can connect your bills, such as rent or utilities, and Rocket Money will send you reminders and alerts when payments are due. This helps you stay on top of your bills and avoid late fees. By following these steps and utilizing the features of Rocket Money, you can optimize your budget tracking and gain control over your finances. Remember to regularly review and update your budget, and use the app to set financial goals and track your progress. With Rocket Money, you can take the first step towards achieving financial stability and security.